Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're just going to say thank you so much to a special author, special friend, and someone that's been giving back to the community for many years. And I want to say thank you. But before we get into that, please like, subscribe, and share to the channel. And if you want to get one of these books that I'm going to be talking about shortly, feel free to hit the link in the description below and get one and support my buddy. So I want to say thank you to Daniel. He actually sent me two books, and I just realized we'll get to that in a second. So the first one is security testing with the Raspberry Pi. I haven't read it yet. I just got these in today, and I just wanted to make a video for my appreciation and thank you. So when I actually was reading some of this, and I just want to throw this out here because I want to say thank you. He actually put, Pat, thank you for your friendship and support. Thank you, Dan. I really appreciate it. So, if you guys want to learn more about testing with your Raspberry Pi, be sure to get this book, pick it up today. And yeah, the next book is a beast, and it's the event. Like I need two hands. It's the Advanced Security Testing with Kali Linux, and it's also by Daniel. And look at this thing. This thing is a beast. It's like a textbook. It's like one of the old MCSE books. And he did write in this book as well. And I'll show you that in a second. And let's see. I have to hurry up because the Rangers are playing, Dan. All right, let me get to this. Where is it? Here we go. And let's see if I can bring it up there. Also, Pat, thank you for your friendship and support. Thank you again for shooting these over to me. So, obviously, this is an awesome book. I read a little bit about it. I read a little bit of it so far, and it's super, super amazing. So, if you guys aren't familiar with Daniel, you can follow him at Cyber Arms on Instagram or wherever. And if Dan, if you want to chime in, I would probably throw this on my Instagram as well. But you can find this book on Amazon. So let's jump onto my desktop and we'll go from there and I'll show you the book. All right, guys. So as you can see here on my screen, the security testing with Raspberry Pi second edition, and it came out in 2022. So it's about a year and some change. And yeah, you can get it. Like I said, it's from Daniel. You can get it right on Amazon. This is the book. And you can, click on the link. I'll put the links in the description below so you can get it firsthand today and support him and his work. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. And this is the other book, the Advanced Security Testing with Kali Linux. So we can look on some of the reviews as well. And let's go down a little bit. This is an awesome book. So I'm assuming it's like a good reference book for Kali Linux. And like I said, this is like how many pages? Let's go ahead and go back to the last page. What is this? Like fucking million pages? 723 pages. It's probably excuse me. It's probably gonna take me several months to read all through that, but I'm definitely gonna get through it, and I'll definitely do a review on it. So you can see, I love love learning by the book, blah blah blah. 750 pages. John, worth the buy. Uh, this one put it two. Good book, but it tells you a lot about the blah blah blah. But you can see, like, there's obviously you can always have the haters. You can always have someone that has to say something negative. But me personally knowing Daniel or Dan, and I really appreciate him, and I enjoy his work. So if you want to support him, go ahead and buy his book and show him the love and support. And if you want to go follow him, you can go follow him at Cyber Arms on Instagram. Let's go ahead and check him out. I'll show you so you guys follow the the right Instagram Cyber Arms. All right, let's go ahead and make sure this is him. Nope, that's not him. Cyber Arms. The hell? Do. It's at Cyber Arms. I wonder, is it the Cyber Arm? No. You know what? I'm gonna actually go on. Where's my phone? I'm gonna actually go on my Instagram so I can show you guys I want to make sure you guys get the right account. I thought it was the Cyber Arms, but let's go ahead to his profile. Okay, so I guess he goes by Cyber Arms, but it's Cyber V1. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out. V1 K1NG. All right, so this is Daniel. This is him, right? As you can see, that's his book. So you go, shoot him a follow, show him some love and support. And yeah, that's all I wanted to have today. This is all I have today for this video. I just wanted to pretty much come on here and say thank you and show my appreciation to Daniel for sending me these books. And I can't wait to really dig deep into them. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you, Dan. I really appreciate it. So if you guys want to pick up your books today, go ahead and hit the, link in the description, buy it today, show support. And until next time, guys, have a beautiful day and speak soon.